have a national park right on top of the interstate, which is, you know, not the most natural thing, but I guess we'll go see what all the hype is about. Can you lock it? Permit required for wedding related events. So you can see the semi trucks and all the interstate stuff in the background, which is just lovely. Let's see. Okay, this was really lame. This was the highlight. This was supposed to be the highlight. I think I just saw the trail, the Ledges trail that we were going to do, and it's right on the road, or it looks like it. I honestly don't even want to do it. I mean, places in Tennessee are way better than this, and they're not. This is supposed to be a national park. I mean, even Archie is sad about it. How do you feel about Cuyahoga Valley National Park, Ohio?
It makes me sad.
National Park is supposed to have something unique and different about it to make it a national park. You know, at least one with the national park in the title. And this is just, I mean, the Brandywine Falls was supposed to be the highlight, and I mean, even the lamest fall at Fall Creek Falls is better than that. So I know if you are coming to visit, come to see what is here, and you're not trying to check off all the national parks, don't even bother. This is not worth it. This is more intense. since we have a dog, can't exactly go out to restaurants, so I got some Chili's to go. Steak. Not for puppies. Alright, so we're trying another destinations outlets in the middle of Ohio. One at a time in the store to keep Archie, because it's a little bit warmer today.